Hey, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our Friday market wrap-up here at TOPGUN Options. I am Matthew Buckley. My call sign is Wiz, and S&P 6,400. We are about $6, $5 away from 6,400. Does anybody remember just a couple months ago that we were down at S&P? Let me just use a round number. What's that, 3,600? My God, ladies and gentlemen. The S&P is essentially has doubled in the past 3.5 months. We are printing money here at TOPGUN Options. Look at how my personal account is blowing away the indices. I'm up about 18% year to date. The S&P's up 6%, the NASDAQ 6%, the Dow up 2%. Take a look. Did you join me this week for Full Throttle? Look at SIBO. Look at my SIBO synthetic stock, up 150%. SIBO's up another percent today. Look at the chart. Did I tell you this week to get long-term bullish on SIBO? In the past month, the CBOE is up about, what's that? 10% in a month. Look at the rip your face off rally in CBOE. This thing is not looking back. Why? People are trading like crazy. And look at this. When was this? 3 days ago? 2 days ago? I told you a couple days ago to get long-term bullish on SIBO, to do a synthetic stock. It went from 236. We're almost up to 250. You're welcome for all the free training that I gave you this week. What else do I have synthetic stock in? JP Morgan up 133%. That one's printing money. Our Bullish on America trade is printing money. We are having an absolute blast here at TOPGUN Options. And by the time of me jumping on this trade brief, we actually have 2. We're almost full. We have 2 annual Full Throttle memberships left to go. $295 if you want to kind of keep this. We did live trade briefs this week open to the public. If you want to keep kind of kicking the tires, it's $295, or it's $497 to join one of our investment clubs called the Hunters, or you save 50% if you do an annual membership today. If you didn't get a chance to attend or missed one of the live trade briefs, don't worry about it. We have your 6 covered. Go.topgunoptions.com/FT-replay. Did you do the Bullish on America trade right there? That was in the primary brief on Tuesday. The Bullish on America trade. How's that one looking today? We are just, this is fun. Look at that, $11,500. When I think I did the brief the other day, this was like 10.5, wasn't it? Up $1,000 in a day or two. Our Bullish on America trade is printing money. Solo Amazon. I told you to do long-term bullish synthetic stock on Amazon on Monday. Let's take a look at a chart of Amazon. There you go. There's a 1-month chart on Amazon from 210 to 230. Folks, what are you waiting for, man? Join TOPGUN Option. I'm going to tell you right now, guess what we're going to do next week? Get a little bearish. Right? When everybody's bullish and, man, we haven't seen a red day, and when everybody's frothing at the mouth, that's when I kind of excuse myself from the table and start walking a little closer to the exit. I'm going to keep my long-term bullish positions on. I think we're running out of airspeed up here, or at least we get another kiss down here at the 20-day moving average, okay? So go grab your membership, either an annual Full Throttle membership, or if you want to kick the tires in our solo Amazon service, it's only $97 a month. It's a really bad bottle of wine, folks, but you can get access to our solo Amazon service for a month for $97. Before I forget, I walked in the door just a little bit ago. I haven't been in this good of a mood in a long time. Why? I just knocked out a podcast. It's going to drop next Thursday, where I announce, I guess I formally announced it already, but that's when the podcast, you're going to be able to sit and listen to the whole background and what it is and everything like that. Sacred Warrior Fellowship. My beautiful bride and I have officially launched Sacred Warrior Fellowship, a 508c1a Florida-based spiritual fellowship under the definition of the IRS as a church. I like the term fellowship instead. Do me a favor, okay? go on Instagram and follow our account. There's no post yet. I'm going to post one Sunday morning with that announcement on Instagram. Sacred Warrior Fellowship. Go follow us on Instagram. My beautiful bride is doing a ceremony in a couple weeks, an all-female ceremony with the sacrament, and we're going to help some ladies out here. I'm going to have an all-male retreat coming up with the sacraments, and civilians too. Everybody's welcome here. Veterans, first responders, family members, civilians, you name it. Anybody seeking healing or that direct connection with the divine, God, source, creator, universe, truth, whatever word you want to use, you're free to use it. We are no dogma, no rituals, no priests, no reverends, no pulpits. Come and check us out. I'm so excited. I sat here writing up the paragraph to go on the podcast description. I was just smiling. I am in such a great mood to be able to experience direct communion with, choose to use the word God, direct communion with God, and to share this gift with other folks legally here in the great state of Florida and anywhere in this country. Last time I checked, Uncle Sam can't tell you how to practice your faith. It is fundamental to the founding of this country. So go check that out, okay? On Instagram, please give me a follow, Sacred Warrior Fellowship. Next Thursday, the podcast will drop on the Max Afterburner podcast, okay? It is ranked in the top 2.5% of podcasts in the globe. Last time I checked, over 3.3 million podcasts were ranked in the top 2.5. This podcast is about 45 to 50 minutes, and man, there's some tears in there. There's some laughter. There's some good stuff. So I'll drop it next week, okay? And then obviously you can watch it on our YouTube channel as well, the No Fallen Heroes YouTube channel. I have to set up a bunch of other standalone stuff, which is a pain, the Sacred Warrior Fellow website and everything like that. But for now, we're just going to kind of piggyback on a lot of this stuff. But again, just could not be happier, okay? And like I said, man, hopefully you had a blast this week. I literally paid for a couple years of membership here at TOPGUN Options. Again, here's my personal brokerage account, up $600 today. How we looking year to date? Year to date, we are up $7,300. I mean, this account has started. This was a 25. I had to have at least 25 grand in this account to be able to do my S&P 500 sniper shots. So I think that this account started the year. I forget, 25, 30 grand, 25, whatever it was. That because a lot of people are trading smaller accounts, right? We got billionaires here, we got millionaires, we got people trading $100,000 accounts, we got people trading $5,000 accounts. So this one that I'm using for demonstration purposes was a nice middle of the road 25, 30 grand account, and that's how it's doing year to date. So I'm thrilled at our performance. Triple digit returns in the synthetic stock positions. Bank of America even, that's a little bit of a sleeper trade. It's up 81% since I put that trade on as well. So come join us, man. We have fun here. You get access to potential private investments, Healing Realty Trust, Demorex, using ibogaine, noribogaine to help cure alcohol use disorder. You have so many opportunities to make good friends. We have great squadrons. This is the Hunters. How many people we got in the Hunters right now? 275 members in the Hunters. How about over here in Solo Amazon? Over here, we got 630 members. And then how many lifetime members? 213. I absolutely love this. That's what? Close to 1,000 folks here at TOPGUN Options. Doctors, lawyers, stay-at-home dads, stay-at-home moms, executives, fighter pilots, retirees, airline pilots, everybody. This is the best hedge fund I've ever seen in my entire career. Why? Because we're trading our own money. Our give a shit meter is on high. Not some professional traders who are like, it's the firm's money. I don't care about this trade, right? No, we trade our own money and we do pretty damn well at it. Okay? So, that's Scott with Tom Sosnoff. I love it. All right, so follow Sacred Warrior Fellowship on Instagram. Go to our homepage under trade groups and grab your solo Amazon or full throttle membership, or go watch the replay. I will see you Monday morning at 10 a.m. in the live trade brief for solo Amazon. Have a great weekend. God bless. Fights on, and namaste.